Hi everyone, Max from GearSense here. First of all, Happy New Year. I wish you all good and well, and yeah, this is actually the first video I'm gonna post on the 2018, and I'm pretty excited about this. I was caught up with the work during the holiday season because I was working on one of the telecommunication with the freaking $60 10 gig plan. If you're a Canadian, you know what I mean. Alright, anyways, without further ado, let's introduce two items that's going to be benefiting on your travel or daily basis. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I want to introduce you today is going to be beneficial for the iPhone and iPad. So this one is actually a Lightning cable, as you can see in front of me right here. It's made by RAVPower, and it's for people who has no storage at all. For example, if you have an iPhone 6 with 16 gig of memory and you constantly take a picture, for sure it's gonna fill up the storage in no time, for sure. And I met a lot of customers. They actually asked me, what can I do? Because the storage is full, this and that, and they probably don't have a computer with them or anything like that when they're traveling, when they're outside, when the memory is full. What are you gonna do? You're gonna delete a lot of photos that you want to keep. So this is a particular product for that purpose when you're on traveling, on a go, or anything like that. Just in case if your storage is run out, just a little bit, you just want to take extra pictures or anything like that, but you couldn't because that freaking memory is just full. This is a product for you. Alright, so let's open this and take a look. So there's a pull tag right here. They made it really easy to open. I wish everyone does that, but apparently not even the iPhone box. Alright, let's open this. So first of all, when you open it, it's gonna have a little paper right here. It says, before using the product on your iOS device, please download iPlugMate app from the App Store. So basically what it is, this thing needs an app called iPlugMate. But you don't have to worry about that part, because once you plug this baby into your phone the first time, it's gonna ask you to download it. It will lead you to the page and just start downloading it, so you don't have to worry about that part. Alright, so let's get rid of this since there are other languages on it and I cannot read. Anyways, that's out of the picture. Let's take a look at the actual item right here. So this is what it is you're looking at right now. Let's take it out and show you a little bit. So basically, RAVPower over here, Lightning cable right here, and USB right here. If you pay attention, it says the 64 gig right here. Apparently this is actually the maximum storage that I can purchase for this model right here on Amazon right now. I think RAVPower, maybe later on they're going to sell those kind of model in bigger storage or anything like that, but right now this is as high as you can get. So the other thing you will notice in the box is this little thing. All you gotta do is actually slide it through from here, and then I probably have to take that tag off for some reason. I have no idea what that is, but that's that. And what you can do is you're gonna fold it like this, and you will be able to carry around. I have no idea why they designed this to fold it. Personally, if I carry around, I will just let it sit flat like this without this thing in the way. I have the 7 Plus right here in front of me, and the storage is full right now. Let me show you. Storage is full. According to the iPhone settings suggestion, it says, please manage your storage. Basically what it means is delete some photos or videos or any other valuable stuff that you want to delete. Alright, anyways, for that being said, what we're gonna do, plug this baby in right now. Okay? Once you plug it in, it's gonna show up like this. It's called iPlugMate. iPlugMate would like to communicate with the RAVPower iPlugMate. Please press allow, as it's gonna access all the stuff on the internal, so it will be able to actually transfer all the stuff that you want. The interface is like this. It shows that you can transfer photos, videos, music, and you can also back up or maybe taking some photos in the same time and directly storage on this one. First of all, which file do you want to transfer? Basically, it's asking you over here. Do you want to transfer the music? Do you want to transfer photos? Perhaps you have a lot of videos. Transfer the videos or photos to that. It's more like iPhone interface kind of things where select is always on the top right corner right here. You click on select and choose whatever you want to transfer. Okay. And then there's a copy to right here. You can copy it. Alright, so if you want to create a new folder, you also have the freedom to do that. I'm gonna name it test right here. Alright, so once test is created, click on test. And then paste. Boom! It's done! That's how fast it is. What about videos? That's a good question. I'll just randomly choose one video right here. I'm gonna transfer it to. Oh, it plays as well. Okay. So, anyways, select this one particularly, copy to video. Alright, so paste. It's gonna do its own work. It's also transferring in the original file, which is MOV file. The other convenient thing is, once you get a transfer over here, after you get home, when you have the access to the PC, you can always use this side, which is, I think it's 3.0, it's hard to say, 3.0, USB 3.0, and plug it into your computer and get a transfer over to your computer with no time. You don't necessarily have to plug in your iPhone at the same time, because all the storage that you transfer to is on this side, which is USB basically. For that being said, this device right here, right now currently is sold on Amazon, and which is about $65 in Canadian. I don't know how much is in US. Anyways, you have to do conversion by yourself. The next thing is the power bank. Right, everyone will be telling me, why am I introducing the power bank? Yes, I know the power bank is just a power bank. It supports the power whenever your phone is running out of juice or anything like that, but this one is a little bit different. I think it's more convenient to carry this one when you're traveling than carry any other devices that's gonna support your phone in the same time as well. Let me show you. Alright, so first of all, on the top, it's actually Anker brand. This is what they call PowerCore Fusion 5000. 5000 over here indicates the milliamp battery. So basically, if it says 5000, it's 5000 milliamp battery included in this power bank. Yes, I know. Just hold your horse. I know it's kind of small, but you'll see what I mean if you want to carry this device rather than this monstrosity 16,000 milliamp battery right here from Alti I purchased the other day. Okay, so Anker, America's leading USB charging brand. Okay, the power bank is right here. This is a power bank. Let's set this aside. What's inside of accessory is kind of interesting. Apparently includes with micro USB to USB charger, as well as a pouch from Anker. If you want to see it, this is what it is. And let's take a look at the outside so you will know what exactly I'm talking about. Alright, so from top, nothing. From the side, this is the highlight right here. All you gotta do is flip this and plug into the wall. That's convenient. And on the bottom, there's two USB right here where you can plug in your phone to charge it, yes. Micro USB is to charge this one when there is no available wall charger around you. Front one, it says Anker right here, is also showing the battery indicator right here. When you press this button to have power indicator lights up, basically it's 3 lights, that means it's full charge. This one can also not just acting as a flash drive, it also can act as a charging cable. So once you plug it in on this side, all you gotta do, plug in the other side, boom, it's charging. What you're gonna do, this is a standard cord that I have. all you gotta do is plug it in here. Alright. You see the indicating light? It's charging right now. Charging this power bank right here. In the same time, it's charging your phone right now. Right here, you'll be able to see it. Okay, so what happened if your airplane arrives? Unplug this, take this with you, and that's it. Nothing ever so complicated, and everything is in sync with each other. Alright, let's a quick rundown regarding to those two items I find particularly helpful for my life. If you have questions, definitely leave a comment below. If you like the video, hit that like button or consider subscribe. I will see you next time.